We often take it for granted, this invisible substance that surrounds us. We breathe it in, breathe it out, barely giving it a second thought. Yet, it is the very essence of life, the fuel that powers our cells and enables us to exist. This elixir of life, this invisible force, is oxygen. Without it, our world would be a very different place, devoid of the vibrant life we know and cherish. Oxygen is a fundamental building block of life in the universe. It's the third most abundant element in the cosmos, trailing only behind hydrogen and helium. But unlike its more abundant cousins, oxygen is a social climber. It readily combines with other elements, forming everything from water, which covers 71% of our planet's surface, to the rocks beneath our feet. It's this remarkable ability to react that makes oxygen so essential to life as we know it. But oxygen's story is not just about its ubiquity. It's also about its incredible journey of discovery, its unique properties, and the myriad ways it shapes our world. So, take a deep breath, and let's delve into the fascinating world of oxygen, the breath of life itself. For centuries, the air we breathe remained a mystery, an invisible force that sustained life but defied explanation. In the 18th century, scientists discovered air was a mixture of gases. Among them was oxygen. Credit for isolating oxygen goes to Carl Wilhelm Scheele, Joseph Priestley, and Antoine Lavoisier. Scheele isolated oxygen in 1772, calling it fire air. Priestley independently isolated oxygen in 1774. Lavoisier in 1775 realized it was a distinct element and named it oxygen. Oxygen is a member of the Chalcogen group on the periodic table, occupying position 8. This seemingly insignificant number holds the key to understanding oxygen's incredible reactivity. With 6 electrons in its outer shell, oxygen is constantly seeking 2 more to achieve a stable configuration. This insatiable appetite for electrons makes oxygen a highly reactive element, eager to form bonds with other elements to complete its outer shell. This eagerness to bond is what makes oxygen so important in the universe. It readily combines with hydrogen to form water, the lifeblood of our planet. It reacts with silicon and other elements to form the rocks that make up the Earth's crust. And it combines with carbon to form carbon dioxide, a key component of our atmosphere and a vital ingredient in photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. But oxygen's influence extends far beyond our planet. It's a key player in the life cycle of stars, fueling the nuclear fusion reactions that make stars shine. In fact, the very oxygen we breathe was forged in the hearts of stars that lived and died long before our sun was even a twinkle in the cosmic eye. From the moment you took your first breath, oxygen has been your constant companion. Every cell in your body relies on oxygen to function, converting food into energy through cellular respiration. Oxygen enters your body through your lungs, diffuses into your bloodstream, and is carried to every corner of your body. Without oxygen, your cells would quickly shut down. It plays a vital role in your immune system, helps repair tissues, and affects your mood and cognitive function. Section 5. Oxygen's helping hand. Applications in medicine. Oxygen's critical role in health has made it indispensable in medicine. From treating respiratory illnesses to aiding in surgeries, oxygen therapy is vital. For patients with asthma, pneumonia, or other conditions, supplemental oxygen is a lifesaver. In critical care, mechanical ventilation provides life-sustaining oxygen. During surgery, oxygen maintains blood oxygen levels with anesthesia. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy treats carbon monoxide poisoning and non-healing wounds. Section 6. Oxygen, nature's unsung hero. While we often focus on oxygen's role in human health, its importance in the natural world is equally profound. Oxygen is the lifeblood of countless ecosystems, supporting the survival of a vast array of plants and animals. Plants, through the miracle of photosynthesis, use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce oxygen, releasing it into the atmosphere as a byproduct of their energy production. This oxygen, in turn, sustains all other life on Earth, from the tiniest insects to the largest whales. Animals breathe in oxygen and use it to break down food, releasing energy and carbon dioxide as byproducts. This exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between plants and animals forms a delicate balance, a harmonious cycle that has sustained life on Earth for billions of years. But oxygen's role in nature extends far beyond respiration. It plays a crucial role in decomposition, breaking down dead organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. It's also a key player in the water cycle, as water molecules evaporate, condense, and precipitate, carrying oxygen throughout the atmosphere and across the globe. Section 7. Oxygen in industry, powering progress. Oxygen's remarkable properties have not gone unnoticed by industry, where it plays a vital role in a wide range of applications. From steelmaking to wastewater treatment, oxygen is a versatile and essential industrial gas. One of oxygen's most important industrial uses is in steelmaking. By injecting pure oxygen into blast furnaces, steel manufacturers can significantly increase the efficiency of the steelmaking process, reducing energy consumption and emissions. Oxygen is also used in the production of other metals, such as copper and aluminum, as well as in the manufacturing of chemicals, plastics, and pharmaceuticals. In the chemical industry, oxygen is used as a reactant in various processes, including the production of ethylene oxide, a key ingredient in antifreeze, and terephthalic acid, used in the production of polyester. In wastewater treatment, oxygen is used to promote the growth of bacteria that break down organic matter, helping to clean and purify wastewater. It's also used in aquaculture, where it helps to maintain healthy oxygen levels in fish farms. And in the food industry, oxygen is used in packaging to extend the shelf life of products. Section 8. Oxygen's dark side. While oxygen is essential for life, it's important to remember that it's also a highly reactive element that can be dangerous in high concentrations. Oxygen toxicity, a condition that can occur when a person is exposed to high levels of oxygen for prolonged periods, can damage the lungs and other organs. This is why scuba divers, for example, use specialized breathing mixtures that contain lower concentrations of oxygen at depth. Oxygen is also a key component of fire. While oxygen itself doesn't burn, it acts as an oxidizer, supporting the combustion of other materials. This is why it's important to handle oxygen with care, especially in industrial settings where it's used in high concentrations. Despite these potential dangers, oxygen remains an essential element for life as we know it. By understanding its properties and respecting its power, we can harness oxygen's benefits while minimizing its risks. Section 9. Fun facts about oxygen, surprising insights. Now that we've explored oxygen's vital roles in the universe, human health, nature, and industry, let's delve into some fun facts about this fascinating element. Did you know that oxygen is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust, making up nearly half of its mass? Or that the oxygen we breathe today was once locked away in rocks and released into the atmosphere by tiny organisms called cyanobacteria billions of years ago? Here are a few more intriguing tidbits about oxygen. The northern lights, or aurora borealis, are caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with oxygen and nitrogen in the Earth's atmosphere. Oxygen has a pale blue color in its liquid and solid states. Oxygen is used to create the bright white light in fireworks. The ozone layer, which protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun, is made up of 3 oxygen atoms bonded together. These fun facts highlight the often overlooked wonders of oxygen, reminding us that even the most familiar substances can hold hidden depths and surprising stories. Section 10. Oxygen, the future we breathe. As we look to the future, oxygen's importance will only continue to grow. With a growing global population and increasing demands on our planet's resources, ensuring a sustainable supply of clean air and water will be paramount. Protecting our forests, reducing pollution, and developing innovative technologies to capture and store carbon dioxide will be crucial in maintaining the delicate balance of oxygen in our atmosphere. Oxygen is also playing a key role in the development of new technologies. Fuel cells, for example, use oxygen to generate electricity with water as the only byproduct, offering a clean and efficient alternative to fossil fuels. Oxygen is also being explored for use in advanced medical treatments, such as growing artificial organs and delivering targeted drug therapies. As we continue to explore and understand this remarkable element, we can only marvel at its versatility and its essential role in shaping the world around us. From the air we breathe to the technologies of the future, oxygen will continue to be the breath of life, powering our planet and fueling our dreams.